Hello guys, welcome once again. In today's video, I'm very excited because we are going to see a complete demo of the employee ID card application that we have built throughout this series. In this project, we use three main technologies: Java Swing, MySQL, and JasperReports. Java Swing is used to build our desktop application and user interface. MySQL database is used to store and manage our employee information, and the Jasper reports is used to generate and design the professional employee ID card. So, instead of explaining the code today, I am going to show you how the complete application works from beginning to end. Let's get started. So, this is the complete database. Okay, we have Jasper reports DB. Then we have employee table that has multiple columns. After that, we inserted some records. Remember that we stored the employee images inside the directory. Okay, that is good. And here we have a simple query that can select all the records from the table. Let's execute that. As you can see, we have multiple records here. So remember that we have the complete list of the Jasper reports. As you can see, we uploaded all the videos on the YouTube channel. And here we have employee ID card starting from here. Okay, this is the first video. Then we have the second one, third one, the fourth one, and then we have the fifth one. After that, we have the last one. Okay, you can watch these videos step by step, and I explained each and everything in more details. Okay, so after that, we have Jasper reports. We designed the card in Jasper reports. Okay, let's preview that. As you can see, we have a simple card here that has two sections: the front end section, and then we have the back end section. We have a simple Jasper reports project, and inside that we created a simple report here. Okay, thereafter we have Java Swing application. As you can see, we have employee ID card generator application. This is the complete structure of the application. We have the connection package. Then we have custom controls. After that, we have forms, icons. Then we have reports. Okay. Let's run the application to see the result. So as you can see, we have a simple employee ID card generator application. You can generate, preview, and print professional employee ID cards. Just select, for example, employee from the list, generate a card as a PDF file. As you can see, employee card generated successfully. Let's open that. We have employee ID card here. This is the front end section. Then we have the back end section. Okay. After that, we have another section, for example, another option, preview the card. Just click on that. You can preview the card in simple manner. We have the backend section also. From that, you can print the card directly also, and you can convert employee card into PDF file as well. Okay, that is good. After that, we have, for example, print card directly. Whenever with your computer printer is connected, you can print that card directly. Let's click on that. As you can see, we have this option. You can print the employee card directly from that section. There is no problem. For now, we want to skip that because with my computer, printer is not connected. Okay. So this was the complete demo of the employee ID card. and I have uploaded all the videos on my YouTube channel. You can watch these videos step by step. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can write them in the comment. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. That is enough for today. Have a good day. See you in the next one.